In this video, you will learn how to make money with debt. Making money with debt might sound counterintuitive, but it can be a smart strategy when done carefully and responsibly. One common way is to leverage debt to invest in assets that generate income, such as real estate or stock. For example, you can take out a loan or line of credit to purchase a property, then rent out the property and generate monthly rental incomes that exceed the debt repayment. Similarly, using borrowed funds to invest in dividend-paying stocks or other income-producing assets can lead to a positive cash flow if managed well. Another strategy is to use debt consolidation or refinancing. If you have a high interest rate debt, consolidating it may lower the interest loan payment and can reduce your monthly payments and free up cash that you can be investing somewhere else. Some people also use credit cards with reward programs, taking advantage of cashback or points to generate value, as long as the debt is paid off each month in full to avoid interest charges. However, it is crucial to approach making money with debt very carefully, as improper can lead to financial strain. The key is to ensure that borrowed funds are used for productive investments that can generate more income than the cost of debt.